My name is Ian Spanier. I'm a celebrity and portrait photographer based in Los Angeles. I've been doing photography pretty much my whole life. I've had a camera since I was about 6 years old. One of the things that I can't stress enough that has helped me throughout my career is the idea of going in with a plan. I began when I was just kind of teaching myself how lighting works, of drawing out the sets so that I would have some kind of visual reference of how I would approach photo shoots in the future. So if I tried one thing and it worked, I would write it out and I would draw a diagram to show the bird's eye view of the set. And then I would take that and apply it down the road. So if I wanted to replicate something that I'd already done that I really liked, I had a kind of a dictionary or a playbook of how to do it. So as I said, I've had this since probably early 2000s and continued it all the way today. I still do it. And it's a really useful tool that can not only satisfy a reference tool for you, but it also can be something that you can use to communicate with your clients, as well as if you just need a little distraction. Let's say your computer freezes and you need to hand something for your client to look at while you deal with your computer, you have something fun for them to play about with. I highly recommend going with a plan. It's something that I stress at every lighting lecture that I ever do, and the idea has worked out for me this far, and I'd love to see what it does for you guys.